Hello people, yes I'm coming with another new episode of ArcGIS School. In this video, I am gonna show you how to install ArcSWAT on your ArcGIS software. First of all, you need to download ArcSWAT from Google or simply search swatamu.edu. This time you can select your ArcGIS version. I am using 10.5. When you can select the ArcGIS version, then appear the download option. You can download here. Download processing. When the download is finished, locate the zip file and extract the file. Click ArcSWAT install. Now double click on setup to begin install. It will running. Click next. Simply check I agree, then next. And you can select everyone or just me, and now you can select the location for the SWAT installation. Next. It takes a few minutes or more. Loading. Then close. Go to SWAT program file, select database. ArcSWAT. Database. Database contains 2 example folder with complete SWAT input dataset, and copy example file 1 and paste it SWAT program file. Now run the ArcGIS software for finishing the installation process. First thing you need to do, click customize and turn on extension. It takes time or a couple of times. Now check SWAT HRO delineator, SWAT project manager, SWAT watershed delineator. Then close. Now check the ArcSWAT from toolbar. Click on SWAT project setup, new SWAT project, just click no. This way you can use ArcSWAT